We have already spoken about the menu bar. However, in this we will speak about the ribbons. So when you press on each of the tab, say home tab or insert tab, there is a particular ribbon. Now this whole area is known as a ribbon, which contains groups, and each group contains different commands. Say for example, I press the home tab. In home tab there is a clipboard group. In the clipboard group you will find copy, format, painter, cut commands. In the font you will find these commands. Likewise, if you go to developer tab, you will in the ribbon, right, you will find different groups, say code, add-ins, controls, XML, and in this you will find the different commands that can be used to be performed on the data. Now if you want to, if you can increase the size of your work by collapsing these ribbons, and as and when you press it, right, when you click it, it gets opened, and if you, whenever you don't want it, it gets closed. So you can increase the size, the size of the spreadsheet area increases. But when you have, if you are pinning the ribbon permanently, right, then your spreadsheet area decreases. However, it's a choice that you make whether you want these to be visible always, or you are okay with working without, or partial visibility, and visibility only when you want to. One more thing about the ribbons is that you can add each of the commands, you can add more commands to these ribbons. Say for example, this is a developer tab, and I can see there is a lot of space available. So what I do is, I do go to developer tab, I say customize the ribbon. What I do is I create a new group and I rename it as, say, India. I'm just renaming it for the sake of naming. I name it as India, and I put this cut and I add this to India. I put fill color and I add this. I'm randomly doing it, format cells, and I add it. I press OK. So you can see that cut, shading, filling, and format cells have come under the group of India. So you can add more based on your particular need. So now that I don't need it, I am removing it. Likewise, you can also add more tabs if you want to over here. If you do a new, if you select the new tab option, then it will come over here. So this was all about the ribbons in the menu bar.